When I wound up on that second floor fire escape with that 357, get ready to blow my brains out, Jesus Christ came to save me. And I said, if you get me out of this, I'll never make people feel. I didn't say I wouldn't do it again. I said never make people feel the way I felt. And he said, here's your scripture. After you're converted, you have the strength of your brother. At that moment in time, I understood my purpose and the plan that God has for me. The 20 years of trauma that I thought really was my training ground to be able to stand here or say what I'm saying right now, to remove the lies and replace them with truth. That I understand that long as I didn't, even though it took me 10 years to get 1 year clean, the fact that I kept trying, the fact that you keep trying, even though you might be failing, the fact that you keep trying says you want to change. Because the enemy will say, well, stop trying. The fact that you keep trying to change says you want to change. And it took me, look, you gotta, if I didn't just try that next time, I wouldn't be coming up on 28 years clean. It's that next time. It's that next time you try. It's that next promotion you accept. It's that next relationship that you're in. That it's going to work. It will work. Removing the lies and replacing them with truth. You can't defeat what you can't define. The brain works based on what the information we put in and the pathway and the processes that gives us how we respond and react to things. So now we have to change the information that we're putting in